Hi guys, welcome to another video. Excuse the laundry in the background. I'm normal, I'm a human. I don't fold my laundry sometimes. But anyway, moving on. Today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I have a vintage Polly Pocket mini haul. So I got these three packages. I've already opened two, but one I've opened like completely and like peeked at it, and the other two will kind of be a surprise, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so this is the first Polly Pocket, the one that I peeked at already. It is this really cute, adorable mint green Polly Pocket compact. Let's open her up. Ta-da! Okay, so this came with two little accessories that don't originally come with this set, but I purchased it with the seller included both of these. But anyway, I'll be listing this for sale if you guys are interested in purchasing this set completely. I'll have it on, what's the other one? Macari. Anyway, so this is the Polly Pocket Schoolhouse. It has the art room, the computer room at the very top. Then we have the classroom setting. Then it looks like we have the culinary classroom, the cooking classroom. Then we have the locker rooms, the restroom with the sinks down below. And then at the very bottom of the compact, we have the pool area. We have the cafeteria. This is just a walkway leading to the gym, and then we have just a study area for your Polly. So cute. So for the accessories that were included with the set, I'll be selling it, like I said. We have the piano with the turquoise keys, and then we have the little Polly. So cute. And we have the little Polly. She's really cute. She's not floppy at all. And so yeah, let me know if you're interested, or go ahead and click on the link and you can purchase it directly through there. Moving on to the next set of packages. Okay, so moving on to the next, like I said, I had opened this box. I did open only one Polly Pocket. It was, or the one compact wrapped in some newspaper. But this is what it looks like. It's like a little yellow shell. And let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see, this little door is broken. But it does open. It's the wedding chapel. Oops. It's getting jammed, but there's the little people coming to view the wedding. It is old, so it is struggling a little bit. There we go. Never mind, it's not working. But that's what it looks like. There's the people, the chapel, and it came with two little characters. Well, I'll show you the characters in a minute. But here is the wedding reception area, the grand organ, the presents right here. And this is the wedding cake area. It's just really cute. But let's show you the little figures that it came with. This guy's a little floppy, but that's okay. It's the groom. He is so cute. And then here is the bride. Adorable. Just love her. Okay, so moving on to the next. I haven't opened this one, but it is a purple compact. Not sure which set this is. I'll have to look it up, but this is really cute. It's a little bedroom, it looks like, and a little house. We have a clock there, a shower, a bedroom and a balcony, some little stairs that they can go up, a kitchen with a little garden back here, the living room with the TV, and this looks like a stereo area. Let's super cute. No figures for this one. Okay, so moving on to another one. Oh, cute. So this is a cute little lime green heart Polly Pocket. Let's open this one. This one doesn't have figures. It is also this I think is like a stable. The door is working. You can put horses in there. And then up here is the little kitchen and a bed, couch. This is too cute. I love the shape. I love that it's heart. Super cute. And the final one for this box, sounds like we have figures in here, is this hot pink square Polly Pocket. And, oh, I thought there was figures. It was just a little present right here that was rattling around. But this looks like a birthday party. Like we have a dance floor, you can put a little Polly Pocket and it can swivel right there. Next to it we have the DJ. Here's the party area with the balloons. A bedroom with balloons and a little bathroom area. Down below we have the little birthday cake with some seats, some presents with some food to serve the guests, some books, and some random drinks and pizza, and then more presents. So cute! Alrighty, so we have 4 here, and then I have the one that I showed you prior. So let's open this box. That is so cool. I love it. Let's save that. My husband's an artist and a cartoonist and a caricature artist. He might enjoy this for the restroom. Okay, anyway, here's the package. Presents in here, surprises. I got another one of these. I'll be selling one of these one. I'll list this for sale if you're interested. Oh, this is different actually. This looks like it's the panda. I don't really know, but this is really cute. Wild animal zoo. Really cute. This one's my favorite one. This is the star. This is the one I really, really wanted. And here we go. You ready? Oh my God, it's the fairy, one of the fairies. Swing here. We have a little area for the fairies to hang out. We have some mushroom seats, some more little areas for the fairies to hang out. We have a waterfall with some glistening fish. This looks like a little log area up to the little cave where the fairy can hang out, and a little bridge with the water going underneath. We have a little teeter-totter on a log, a little seating area, log seating area with, it looks like a little decor right here and just some stepping stones. This is just absolutely precious, my favorite one. Oh, I love this one. Just love the shape. It's a star. Oops. Okay, so the last Polly Pocket that I'm going to show you today is this quilted yellow heart. And here's the back. Let's open her up. Oh my gosh. I think this is the nursery. So we have just a little bridge for the little kids, a little pond with a duck, a little gate here. We have a little cart for them to ride in. Oh, okay, so if you turn this, this is a little merry-go-round, a squirrel, a little bench to enjoy the park here. We have a little playhouse for the children. What else is there? A little art center, a little mobile, a couch, a little bed for nap time, a little crib for nap time, and a changing table. It is so cute. This one, I love the shape as well. Super girly and cute. That's gonna be it for this haul. I do have a few more coming. Comment below and let me know what your favorite compact was. And also let me know if you, have Polly Pockets or collect Polly Pockets. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let's be friends. Bye guys!